Hi everyone, welcome back to Computer and Technology channel. Today's lecture we are going to continue with part 3, part 4 on how to generate table in Microsoft Word. And to do so, we have to open our file. And first of all, we must open Microsoft Word environment, then choose File menu, choose Open, locate our previous part, which is part 3, to continue from where we stop, and click on it and click Open to open the previous part so that we can continue from where we stop. On this part, we are going to learn how to sort file, manipulate data in table in Microsoft Word. So the first manipulation we are going to do here is how to sort data alphabetically using case sensitive. And to do so, you must highlight this column you want to sort and click Layout, choose Sort, and the sort dialog box will appear. Then your option is ascending, descending, the column words. What do you want to which column do you want to ascend? So then another option is choose case sensitive. You choose case sensitive, you click OK button. Do you want it to be case sensitive based on descending or ascending? Descending, for instance. You click OK. You can see descending order. This is descending order. Let first be the last and let last be the first. Now that's the first part on manipulation of data based on sorts. Then we go back to rearrange it again. This time around, we want to sort column 2. Then ascending order, click OK button. You can see it is now ascending order in column 2. This is column 2. This is column 2. The column 2 is alphabetical order. But what will happen to column 1? Column 1 is not in well arranged. The numbers are scattered. So what are you going to do in that column 1? So column 2 is alphabetical order with its figures. So in this case, then we have to sort column 1 to be in serial number. You go back to sort, click column 1, click ascending, but it turned this thing back to how it was. What are you going to do in this case? So in this case, we have to sort everything once. How are you going to do that? Then go back to sort, then column 2, then this column 1 is number, while column 2 is text. Let me descend it so that you understand. Click OK button. See, this is column 2. Now this time around, I'm going to ascend it order. So click and check whether if it's still under case sensitive. Click OK. Then then click ascending, 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 then click OK button. It will be as it was before. So but I want to sort this text only this text. Is it possible to sort it? only the text without, yes, very possible. You can sort text only, set text only alphabetical order, including each figure alphabetical order. So, and that is how to rearrange your table, manipulating data on the table. So now I want to remove this column. Remember, to remove it, you select it, you click delete column, and this is the new table according to alphabet. So now the next is, how do we convert data, or how do we convert text to table? To convert text to table, we first of all select the text. I want to convert learning MS Word to table. I click on Insert, choose Table button, locate Convert to Text to Table. You can see Convert Text to Table here. Convert Text to Table. You click on it. How many columns do you want? You put the number of columns. You click OK button. You can see this is the new table. This is the new column. I have 2 columns, 1 row. This additional conversion. Now I want to convert this table to text. I'll click on the table, highlight the table, click layout, click convert to text. Are you seeing convert to text here? Convert to text. Convert to text. Is it as tab, as comma, or as paragraph? So I want to choose as tab so that it will maintain the column. Click OK button, and you can see this is the conversion. I convert the table to text. Let me bring it back, click on do. So now I want to calculate this figure, calculating sum up this figure in this table. I will have to add additional what? Row. To add additional row, click layout, click insert below. You now have additional row. We have additional row. So on this additional row, I'll type here total. Then click under the sum, then click formula. Computer is already know what I want to do. Sum above, yes, that is what I want to sum. I'll just click OK. But if it is not sum above, I'll change this sum above with another option. Click OK button, and this is the total. This is the total. You see, this is the total. And that's how to sort this, calculate some data in Microsoft Word table. I believe this lecture is, you understand this lecture, and this is where I'm going to withdraw today's lecture on table. And don't forget to subscribe, comment on this particular lecture. So, and don't forget to click notification bell to receive any new lecture, any new video from this channel. Thank you and remain blessed.